Dainty. Dainty meaning in English, delicate. Fresh, neat, pleasing, elegant. Dainty meaning in Telugu, muduga najukuga. Tajaga. Opposite words of dainty, coarse. Indelicate. Gross. Vulgar. Daunt. Daunt meaning in English, frighten, intimidate. Scare. Deter. Discourage. Daunt meaning in Telugu, భయపరచు. బెదిరించు. నిరుత్సాహపరచు. Opposite words of daunt, encourage. Give heart to. Make brave. Dearth. Dearth meaning in English, scarcity. Shortage, lack, deficiency. Dearth meaning in Telugu, కరువు కొరత దొరక్కపోవడం. Opposite words of dearth, plenty, abundance. Dawdle. Dawdle meaning in English, loiter, linger. Delay. Lag. Hang around. Dawdle meaning in Telugu, kalam vyardhapuchu. Opposite words of dawdle. Rush. Hasten. Hurry, speed. Decompose. Decompose meaning in English, rot, decay, spoil, crumble. Waste away. Decompose meaning in Telugu, kullagottadam. Sidilam cheyadam. Opposite words of decompose, grow, flourish. Flower. Deceive. Deceive meaning in English, cheat. Swindle. Trick. Misled. Betray. Deceive meaning in Telugu, వంచించు, మోసం చేయు, భ్రమింపచేయు. Opposite words of deceive, be honest. Tell the truth. Defer. Defer meaning in English, put off. Postpone, delay, suspend. Obey. Respect. Submit. Defer meaning in Telugu, నిలుపు. వాయిదా వేయు. ఇతరుల మాటకు విలువ ఇచ్చు. Opposite words of defer, disobey. Disrespect, challenge. Delicious. Delicious meaning in English, tasty, appetizing. Palatable, savory. Delicious meaning in Telugu, ruchigala. Madhuramaina. Ramyamaina. Opposite words for delicious. Bitter. Unpalatable. Sour. Delude. Delude meaning in English, cheat. Swindle, trick, misled. Betray. Defraud. Delude meaning in Telugu, వంచించు, మోసం చేయు. Opposite words of delude, be honest. Tell the truth. Depression. Depression meaning in English, dejection. Gloom. Misery, sadness, economic slump. Recession, dent, cavity. Depression meaning in Telugu, గొయ్యి. పల్లపు ప్రాంతం. కుంగుబాటు. మాంద్యం. Opposite words of depression, happiness, joy, delight. Boom times. Derelict. Derelict meaning in English, abandoned. Run down. Neglected. Derelict meaning in Telugu, విడిచిపెట్టిన. ఉపేక్షించిన. Opposite words of derelict, maintained. Looked after. Desperate. Desperate meaning in English, reckless. Wild. Frantic, rash, despairing. Desperate meaning in Telugu, తెగించిన. అతి సాహసం గల. నిరాశ వల్ల తెగించిన. Opposite words of desperate, cautious, sensible, caring, safe. Despise. Despise meaning in English, scorn. Dislike. Hate, loathe, detest. Despise meaning in Telugu, అలక్ష్యం చేయు. తృణీకరించు. Opposite words of despise, like, admire. Respect. Destitute. Destitute meaning in English, penniless, needy, very poor. Broke. Destitute meaning in Telugu, దిక్కులేని, నిరుపేద అయిన. Opposite words of destitute, rich. Wealthy. Prosperous. Well off. Dilapidated. Dilapidated meaning in English, run down. Ruin, decayed, shabby. Dilapidated meaning in Telugu, నాశనమైన. శిథిలమైన. పాడుబడిన. Opposite words of dilapidated, and, well kept, maintained, in good order. Devour. Devour meaning in English. Eat greedily, swallow. Wolf down. Gorge. Devour meaning in Telugu. ఆశగా తినడం, మింగేయడం. Diligent. Diligent meaning in English. Hardworking, industrious, active, earnest. Diligent meaning in Telugu. శ్రద్ధ చూపు. కష్టపడి పనిచేయు. Opposite words of diligent. Careless, indifferent, lazy. Dire. Dire meaning in English. Bad. Dreadful. Terrible. Awful. Shocking. Dire meaning in Telugu. భయంకరమైన. అశుభమైన. Opposite words of dire. Good. Happy. Pleasing. Disguise. Disguise meaning in English. Hide, conceal. Cover. Mask. Camouflage. Disguise meaning in Telugu. Maruvesham veyu. Dachu. Opposite words of disguise. Reveal. Open, uncover. Discord. Discord meaning in English. Disagreement. Strife. Conflict. Friction. Discord meaning in Telugu. Virodham. Kalata gittani. Opposite words of discord. Harmony. Cooperation, peace. Dormant. Dormant meaning in English. Sleeping. Inactive. Idle. Dormant meaning in Telugu. ప్రచ్ఛన్నమైన. నిద్రపోతున్న, పైకి కనబడని. Opposite words of dormant. Awake, active, busy. Docile. Docile meaning in English. Quiet. Meek. Mild, obedient. Tame. Docile meaning in Telugu. విధేయమైన. వినయం గల. లొంగిన. Opposite words of docile. Wild, disobedient. Hard to control. Drowsy. Drowsy meaning in English. Sleepy. Tired. Sluggish, listless. Drowsy meaning in Telugu. Nidra mattuga unna. Opposite words of drowsy. Lively. Alert. Vivacious, full of life. Dwindle. Dwindle meaning in English. Get smaller, decrease. Lessen. Shrink. Dwindle meaning in Telugu. Taggipovu, chinnadaipovu. Opposite words of dwindle. Enlarge. Increase, expand, grow. Dynamic. Dynamic meaning in English. Energetic, active, lively. Vital, spirited. Dynamic meaning in Telugu. Ati churukaina. Utsahavantamaina. Opposite words of dynamic. Lethargic, sluggish, tired. Listless.